some news coming out of the blue, at least for me today. Zach Osborne joins Beta USA as a brand ambassador, which will include assisting with bike testing, working closely with Beta riders, and attending select events across the country to promote the Beta name. Now, obviously, Zach retired from racing back in 2021 and or at least from Supercross and Motocross. He transitioned into GNCC full time in 2022, but injuries cut that short. And so this is very surprising for me. It's kind of funny that, what was it, last week with the Deegan takeout, Zach got a lot of mentions for his pass, let's put it that way, in 2017 on Savachi. And so, hey, out of the blue, he now is back in the news for something else. We do have a quote from him saying, "I'm honored to be part of the Beta family. They're carving out a neat spot as a brand in our sport, and I'm excited for their future. I hope it can add momentum to the great work they are already doing and have some fun along the way." Now, Tim Pilg, I don't know how to say it, sorry, butchering last names forever, that is me, said, quote, "I am very happy to have Zach be part of our special company. Our race team has already been very successful these past 2 seasons in all aspects of events, and Zach will be able to add even more than that success. We are not only having him working on the racing side of things, but also in attending some different ride events and representing the Beta brand as well in a fun way. It's going to be a great year." Now, you guys tell me, you think this is good for him, good for the team, good for whatever, bad in any way? I don't know. Brand ambassadors, who knows what they're really going to do, how much they're really going to help. I mean, look at, Villapoto with Yamaha after he left Kawasaki. It could be really good for him, could be really good for the team. I mean, obviously he is a champion. He, should be able to help build that bike. I don't know, develop the bike. There's the word I was looking for. But I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good, bad. You don't care either way. Whatever it is, comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.